Today we are going to discuss about the regulatory audit observation and style of responses. For these purposes, normally the pharmaceutical and FMCG companies are hiring the consultant, and mostly that is QA special team. They are replying this, but I am giving you the clear cut responses, that is how to respond the USFDA auditor or any other auditor. Please see, for example, BPR of the packaging. BPR, you know that the BPR is a Bible of the production packing, and this is this is normally prepared by the packaging development department, reviewed by production regulatory department and also there is quality control and the approved by quality assurance department. These document contain list of packaging material including item codes, clear instruction of the packaging of the product, storage, packaging material, issuance of packaging material, reconciliation of tablet capsules and packaging material, that is line clearance, machine wise standard and observed values, that is also the labeling instruction of primary, secondary and tertiary packaging material. One by one, point wise, I will series in different video I will explain one by one. Also, for example, this is one of the regulatory USFDA regulatory observation in one particular pharmaceutical company. These I am specifying here for the for BPR cover page. They observe, what is the observation? There is observations. One observation is cover page does not contain any format number. What should be your response? How will response? That is, we will revise and made effective the existing SOP within 15 days time and rectify the cover page for BPR. Observation. Second observation, line clearance checklist for primary and secondary area. Observe round mark in yes. What should be your response? How will respond to the FDA? We will rectify this form or our upcoming BPR. Third observation, tablet taken from packing is 9453, for example 9453 pieces, but batch size is 94550. That is, what is the observation? SFG batch number total received quantity is 13.66 kg, and after bifurcation total quantity is 13.57 kg. Difference is 269 capsules. What should be your response? That is I am explaining in the next video.